Are you suffering from hair fall problems? Are you suffering from damaged hair fall? Are you facing a problem by thin hair? Are you suffering from premature gray hair? Are you suffering from dryness and dandruff? Come, let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Ayur Chikitsa. Today we are going to see homemade Ayurvedic herbal hair oil. The ingredients are coconut oil, hibiscus leaves, hibiscus flowers, methi seeds, kalonji seeds, and it is also called as black cumin seeds, lemon peels, henna leaves, Tridax procumbens, and it is also called as Nallaram Aku, Amla powder, Brungaraj leaves, Neem leaves and curry leaves, Tulsi powder and castor oil. Coconut oil can support hair growth, grow healthier, thicker and longer. Contains vitamins and fatty acids in coconut oil. Help to nourish your scalp and penetrates the cuticle of the hair. Apply 2 to 3 times a week. Coconut oil helps slow down hair loss by penetrating deep into your hair to prevent protein loss, which prevents breakage and is packed with fatty acids that can improve hair health. It is found in many ways in the market like shampoos, conditioners and styling gels and other hair care products. It is also explains coconut oil can repair everyday damage, improve texture and restore hair health. Hibiscus leaves prevents your hair from becoming dry and frizzy. Hibiscus leaves contain high amount of mucilage, acts as a natural conditioner. It makes your hair silky and smooth. It enhances your natural hair color, helps to cover burnt patches, dryness and dandruff. Hibiscus flowers. Many people do not know that hibiscus flowers are beneficial for skin and hair. It has some amazing properties that can help you in treating your hair problems. It stimulates hair growth. The amino acids found naturally in hibiscus flowers help to nourish your hair and promote hair growth. Also promotes the overall thickness of the hair strands and makes the hair more manageable. Hibiscus is full of antioxidants and vitamins necessary for the production of melanin, which gives the hair a natural color. Both ancient Ayurveda and science talk of hibiscus as a natural hair dye to mask grey hair. The use of hibiscus is effective as the drugs used to treat baldness. Methi seeds help stimulate blood flow to the scalp and also nourishes the hair follicles to promote faster and healthier new growth. It is also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help with dandruff, scalp irritation and acne. Methi seeds will improve the hair quality, making the hair grow thicker and healthier. It supports healthy scalp and strengthens hair and adds shine. Kalonji seeds. It is an excellent natural method to promote hair growth. Nutrients of kalonji oil prevents the reduction of pigment cells and keeps hair black for long. Taking kalonji daily for 3 months significantly reduced fasting blood sugar, average blood sugar and insulin resistance. Lemon peel powders are rich in vitamin C, which improves the rate in which your hair grows by boosting the production of collagen. The acidic nature of lemon helps to tighten the hair follicles, cures hair fall. It helps to clean the scalp and hair follicles. Lemons contains many other nutrients that strengthen the hair follicles and encourage new hair growth. Restore the healthy pH levels, vitamin C, which helps in the production of collagen and boost hair growth. Henna leaves helps to reduce the premature graying of hair because loaded with tannins. Henna contains vitamin E, which helps to soften the hair. The natural leaves of the plant are rich in antioxidants that support the hair health, can make it stronger, thicker and shinier. You can also use henna dried leaves with coconut oil to make henna oil at home for thick hair and long. Tridax procumbens, also called as Nallaram Aku. Tridax procumbens is traditionally used Ayurvedic medicine for hair growth, and it is all usually dispensed in the place of Bringaraj. It turns grey hair into black hair, gives good natural black color to hair. Amla powder, amla or the Indian gooseberry can treat hair loss effectively. This edible fruit is considered as a miracle cure for hair care. It stimulates the hair growth and improves the quality of hair. It contains calcium, which promotes healthier hair. It acts as a natural conditioner and makes the hair thick and stronger. Blood circulation ensures that the scalp gets all the essential nutrients and oxygen to be healthy. Bringaraj leaves. It promotes hair growth. Bringaraj oil increases blood circulation to the scalp and the roots, which promotes the hair growth. This oil activates the hair follicles, which enhance the hair growth. It is famous for hair growth and thickens the hair. The herb contains nutrients that fuel hair growth and health too. All in all, it does a whole lot of the inner strength of your hair. Neem leaves. Neem strengthens the hair follicles and aids in the growth of hair development. Neem oil is a very good remedy for the people who suffer from hair thinning and balding. You simply have to use this oil on your hair and scalp to strengthen your hair follicles, and it will automatically promote the hair growth. Its medical properties is an effective herb to treat hair loss, antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory properties. Neem is an excellent way to cure dandruff problems. Curry leaves are a rich source of protein, beta-carotene and antioxidants that help in strengthening the hair fibers, encourage the fast hair growth and prevent hair loss. Amino acids present in the curry leaves help to retain the hair strength and hair shine. There is no conclusive evidence that curry leaves or any of their byproducts can stop hair loss or improve the hair growth. Curry leaves are loaded with properties that can work wonders for your hair and lead to hair growth. Eating a balanced diet that is rich in these vitamins and minerals may help to promote the hair growth. Switch on the gas stove. Keep it in a low flame. Add 1 liter of coconut oil. Add hibiscus leaves, hibiscus flowers, lemon peels, henna dried leaves, methi seeds, kalonji seeds, fresh neem leaves, dried bringaraj leaves, amla powder. Stir once. Make all ingredients Mix well with coconut oil. After 5 to 6 minutes, the ingredients added in the oil turns dark in color. Add castor oil. You need to stir continuously. Take a strainer and a clean dry bowl. Filter the oil and store it in an airtight glass jar. You can heat the oil by double boiling method. Apply to scalp and massage. Keep it for overnight and wash by mild shampoo. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do like, share and comment, and this will boost us to do more and more informative videos.